As a prelude to looking at the New York State court system, I wanted to spend a little bit of time in this recording talking about what I have placed up on the screen, which is a very basic chart about government subdivisions in New York State. The purpose is to just make certain we feel comfortable with how the state is subdivided into these different municipalities or governmental units. By reaching this understanding, we'll be able to get a better idea of the court system. And what I have found over the years is that a lot of my students really don't have a good grasp on just this basic outline. So here goes. We take a look at New York State and we can break the state down into 62 counties. And when we look at the asterisk, we see that the counties in New York City, which are 5 in number, and they correspond to the 5 boroughs, are not subdivided any further. However, for the other 57 counties, each county is divided into either a city or a town. So let's just use Erie County for example, because I imagine, if not all of us, most of us live in Erie County. So I happen to live in Erie County, and more specifically, I live in the city of Buffalo. My legal assistant lives in the town of Hamburg. So we have that breakdown. Now, what we also can find is this. Some of the territory in a town, not all of it, which is the second asterisk, as you see when I scroll down there, not all of the territory in a town is divided into a village, but that's where we find villages. So you could say this, that villages, to the extent they exist within a town, but do not correspond to the entire boundary of the town, and not all of the town is part of a village. So, for example, if we take the town of Tonawanda, some folks who reside in the town of Tonawanda live inside the village of Kenmore. Other folks who live in the town of Tonawanda don't reside in the village of Kenmore. They simply reside in the town of Tonawanda. So that's our basic breakup for government subdivisions in New York. And with that in mind, we can take a look at the court system. And I'll bring up the court system in the next screen recording, and we'll end this recording now.